Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube page. I'm your stylist for today, John by name. Today, I'll be using X-Pression new products, Jade Curl. Jade Curl has 4 bundles in a pack, 120 gram, and the length is 8.5 inches. So stay back, relax. Let me show you how to install the Jade Curl style. Thank you. Make our hair into convo. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, comment and share the video with your friends. You thread your needle. You sew the weft of the product into the convo. Apart from fixing the product, you can also use it for dreadlock style. The product can be switched to any style you like, dread, fixing, packing gel. Just be creative with it. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, comment and share the video with your friends. After you are done with the fixing, you apply the mousse to the hair. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.